So this is a burst fade tutorial with the V at the back. What I'm doing here is I'm starting my guideline just behind the ear where the point is. So this is the start of the first guideline. I'm going to carry out that same line to where his eyebrow meets. This is a low mid fade, so I don't want to take the fade too high. When you take it too high, you risk the fade going too back behind his ear. So we want to take it not too high, keeping that line low, and then bolting him out. So with the point at the back, I want to look at where his natural growth starts. It starts around there. So I'm going to come in, make my first guideline with the point. Start around there. And then I'm going to do the other side. And then I want to carry out that same line all the way to the other side. Carry that same point. And refine that line. Boom. Next guideline is a 1 open. We're going in about a thick 1 inch, wrapping around that ear. As this is a low fade, we want to go just below that box at the front. Boom. 2 guard closed, and I'm taking out that line that we just created by flicking out, not digging in too much. What I'm doing here is I'm stiffening my hand to make a straight line to blend into all that bulk up here. Next step is the open, and this is the last guideline that we're going to make. We're going up about a centimeter, and immediately after I've done that, I've got my half guard and I'm closing it 1 notch and using the corner to take out that line. As you can see, this is a very simple fade process. Now, after I've done what I can do with this, I close it 2 notches, bang bang, and use the corners to take out any remainder of the last line that we just created. I'll open it just to blend into all that bulk. Make sure I'm using my corners of the blade to control how much I take off. And then, boom. Final step, closed, and we're using our corners again to take out that line. We want to roughly take out that line, and then straight after we've done that, we open it halfway and blend into all that bulk. As you can see, this line, we want to keep that dark. So what we do is we don't touch that line and only fade what's above it. This way it actually creates the illusion that we have enhancements on. A lot of my cuts I actually don't use enhancements, and I do this method right here. So not touching that line, making sure we take our time. Those line up points are a very crucial part of the haircut.